Take a ride in the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, fog lamps, trip computer, compass, clock, day-night rear view mirror, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.